Alright, here's the course syllabus in Prezi form. For those of you that don't like to read too much, we're going to try this out, see how it goes. So first of all, in band and choir, what do I need, right? You need your instrument. So if you rent from the school, it's $50 for the year, $20 if you're in marching percussion, $10 for non-marching percussion, and then the instrument use contract is right here, and you have to print that out and fill that out saying, yes, we'll be responsible for the instrument. Music and folder. I'll pass out music, but we do all have books that we buy. They're around $8. I'm doing some new books this year, as you'll read through. The 7th and 8th grade band's going to try a different book, and if they bought one last year, I'll trade it in for the new one I'm doing this year. And the high school band is going to try a new book that I found that'll work better for them. But they all need folders as well, music folders, to keep their music in so it doesn't get lost and ripped up and destroyed, because the music is expensive. Uniforms, it's right here. It's pretty self-explanatory. The heavy hitters are in high school band and choir, when the men have to buy the blue vest and blue tie, and the ladies have to buy the dresses. You just want to budget for that. There's all the prices. I'm not gonna go into all of it, but you can read that really quickly if you'd like to. You do have a $25 uniform cleaning fee for marching band. Gloves are $5. But it's pretty much all there. Also, I will be passing out the order forms really soon, and that'll all be on there too. Pencils. It's like, I don't know why, but we all forget to bring them. No pens or markers. We need pencils, and please, please, please make sure that you bring pencils, because it really makes for quicker learning when we can write stuff in our music. Okay? The next big part of the syllabus is communication. This is where I feel like I would like to see our team do better at. I send out a ton of stuff, and I send it out different ways. I send out hard copies of things, and then I put, here's the link to our website. Anything I send out in a hard copy, I put in their backpack on the website, or in the general backpack on the website. So you should check that website out if you click there. And I don't know if it'll let you click the way I'm doing it. That wasn't a very good idea. I'll have to see if there's a different way to share this as well. But that is the link. You just go to the school's webpage and go under our district, and then band and choir, and that'll take you right to the webpage. Okay? These are the different classes and how you can sign up for Remind. This is the main way I communicate, this and Facebook, and these are the two Facebook groups that I have. Plus, you can always call my office, or for the best results, call my cell phone or text me is even better, and then you can email me right there. But Remind and Facebook are my two main ways of communicating out to you. And then if you need to get a hold of me, the best way is to text me, but you can email or call the school phone as well. Okay? You do get graded music starting in 6th grade. Attendance is half of it, and really it's performance is what that ends up being. Performance in class and performance in concerts. And then I call it preparation and extension. So homework, which is really just your practice logs, which parents will probably never see those. They stay at school. We fill them out here. I just assume that they're being honest. And then music testing is 30%. Music journals, we're not going to do the binder or anything. It just didn't work out very well. I wanted to give it a shot, see if it would work well, and it was too cluttery, and we weren't able to give it enough attention. So I have an even simpler form that they fill out in their Google Docs. I made a Google Doc, and they had to fill it out, and now they have it in their Google Drive, and we will fill that out a couple times a year and keep up on it, and that's how they will show me that they grew this year as a student. The calendar of events, once again, that's a link, but you're probably not going to be able to click on it in this video. But like I said, I'll try to find a different way to share this Prezi, and then as you click through it, you'll be able to click on that link. But the calendar is on the web page. You can go there and see the calendar. I don't have it all up to date yet. We're working on that. I do have the list form, and that's going to be going home to you probably this first week here. But we'll get it into the Google Calendar as well. And then, you know, pretty much all this stuff over here just says, look, if you're going to miss something, make sure you communicate with me so that I can, you know, say yes, that's fine, or no, I'm not going to excuse that. Usually I excuse almost everything, guys. You just need to do a makeup assignment if you miss something, okay? And then the last thing is, these are links. This is a link to the actual syllabus and a link to the digital agreement form, which I will send these out via Remind, and I'll post it on the Facebook group. I'll give you guys a couple days to join that stuff, but these links will take you there. You've got to go to the digital agreement form, click on that. It's going to be like 4 questions. You're going to fill it out, and that is your agreement, your signature saying, we agree to the syllabus and the terms of being a part of this team, and it's also their permission slip to be able to go to field trips with me and stuff like that. So if you would go on there, it'll take just a couple seconds and fill out the digital agreement form. That would be awesome. And I think that's really the syllabus in a nutshell. I think we're going to have a great year, and I'm excited to work with your kids. We have some really talented musicians and great kids to work with. So let's go Blue.